Yo, what is going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. So today's video, we're going to be doing our first Facebook lead job. Okay, so this job cost us about $10 to go ahead and do, and we're going to be making a lot of money. So we're going to be doing a full house wash and doing an entire driveway and sidewalk cleaning. And I'm thinking on this brick paver, there's not going to be needed any bleach, so we're just going to surface clean this real quick. That should take us about 30 minutes. And then the house isn't really that dirty, so we're just gonna give it a light rinse and coat just to get all the dirt and the dirt and the little spots of bleach and the cobwebs and stuff like that off the house. And we'll be out of here, get a nice review, and things are going good. If you guys would like me to set up your Facebook ads or get on the phone with me, send me a text at 843-888-2371, and I can help you get jobs like this through Facebook ads. Set up your ads the right way and get jobs like this coming in. So send me a text if you're interested, and we'll schedule a one-on-one consultation call. Also, I'll drop a link down below for a do-it-yourself course that I have put together. That'll show you my targeting, my ad strategy, everything that goes into creating Facebook ads in a course that you can go ahead and enroll in, and that will teach you step by step how to do it. And you can work with me alongside in pre-recorded videos of me sitting in front of my computer, setting up my ads, showing you my targeting, my ad copy, and how I set up my ads to get you guys the best return. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below where you guys are located.
you.